At number 5, we have ILIFE V3s Pro, the best budget robot vacuum. Meet the ILIFE V3s Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate budget-friendly cleaning companion. This little powerhouse maneuvers seamlessly across both carpet and hard surfaces, ensuring your home stays spotless without breaking the bank. Setup is a breeze. After a quick review of the manual, you can get this vacuum running in less than 5 minutes. It also comes with a handy remote control, allowing you to adjust settings from the comfort of your couch while enjoying your favorite show. Quiet operation stands out. You can carry on a conversation even when it's close by, making it perfect for homes with kids or pets. Navigating around furniture is another highlight. Despite lacking advanced object avoidance technology, it avoids most obstacles with ease. Pet hair removal excels, adding considerable value if you have furry friends. The HEPA filter captures allergens, improving air quality around your living space. However, it faced a minor challenge picking up Cheerios from corners. While it could manage better in tight spaces, this is a small issue considering its overall performance. What I cherish most about the ILIFE V3s Pro is its easy maintenance and great cleaning ability, making it an excellent starter robot vacuum. For a great balance between quality and affordability, consider adding this hardworking vacuum to your home.